If your chair tilts only to one side, it can feel unstable and uncomfortable. This problem is common with office chairs. Luckily, the issue is usually easy to fix. Start by checking the chair wheels. Sometimes one wheel may be stuck or damaged. Turn the chair upside down to inspect it. Look closely at all the wheels. Spin each wheel with your hand. If a wheel does not spin properly, remove it. Dirt and debris often get stuck inside the wheel. Clean the wheel and sock it carefully. After cleaning, snap the wheel back into place. Next, check all the wheels again. Uneven wheels can cause the chair to tilt. Another common cause is loose screws. Use a screwdriver to tighten the screws under the seat. Loose screws can make the chair unstable. After tightening, inspect the tilt mechanism. Most office chairs have a tilt tension knob. Turn the knob to adjust the tilt balance. This can help stabilize the chair. Now check the gas lift cylinder. Make sure it is properly connected to the base. If bolts around the seat plate are loose, tighten them. A loose seat plate can also cause tilting. Next, inspect the chair base. Look for any bent legs. If one leg is slightly bent, the chair may lean.
On this one.
Carefully push the leg back into alignment. Now place the chair upright again. Sit on the chair and test its balance. If it still tilts slightly, check the floor. Uneven floors can also cause tilting. You can place a small pad under the wheel. This helps balance the chair. Now test the chair again. Lean back and move around slightly. If the chair stays balanced, the problem is solved. Your chair should now feel stable and comfortable again. A few simple checks can fix most chair tilting problems.